Hi everyone, welcome to this video. So this is a head unit out of one of my cars, and it was a very good CD player, radio, whatever you want to call it, up until my kids repurposed it. They repurposed it into a CD destroying money box basically. It has a distinctive money box rattle. Yeah, so you can see the resemblance, I suppose. There's the coin slot there, and it makes a nice rattle as you go around corners to remind you how much money you've got saved. Anyway, what I'd like to do is repurpose this back into a CD player as it used to be when I first bought the car. So I removed this thing by using these funny looking keys. So the point sort of faces outwards, otherwise it just won't work. So you push that in there, and it's quite a cool little mechanism, and then to pull it out you press the side hard and it will release, otherwise you just won't get it out. Look. Anyway, so I've got the necessary tools, and these are Torx keys. So I'll get the correct one, which is T10, and let's see if we can sort this thing out. Class 1 laser product. So is this going to release now? Looks like there's a clip or something. There we go. So take that off, and what is this inside here? There's the CD player. Can this come out, I wonder? Oh, there you go. There's the CD player. It's got all these funny looking little clips in there, which you should be able to push it up like that. It's going to come out. I don't know. I might be better taking it out from this side. Yeah, there you go. That's easier. Pull those things up, and the ribbon should pull out. There we go. So there's the CD player, and that's what I believe the money is in, but let's just double check. Oh no, oh, there's money down there. So there's an entire fortune of 4p. It's 2 and 4p. 4p caused all those problems. So there's the 4p. There doesn't appear to be anything else in there. So that seems good. Anyway, I'll just put that to one side, and let's have a look to see if there's anything funny going on in here. I think there is, because this seems to destroy CDs. I'll just zoom into this one so you can have a better look. That should do. And let's start to undo this. This thing seems to be on a spring, so I could end up damaging it. Maybe I should take the springs off. I'm not too sure though. I'll try and pull it off and see what it does. No, it appears to be jammed on something. I think it just is jammed on those screws, so I'll undo this spring. Okay, now there seems to be some sort of mechanism that's holding the CD in place, and I would imagine it's something to do with this. There's a destroyed CD. and I can see there are 2 coins rammed in there. Yeah, I don't know if you can see them. There they are. So if I just do this, hopefully I won't need to open the thing up. So there's one, and there's the other. So all coins seem to be out of there now, and so that I don't dislodge anything or interrupt with the way that this was originally, I'm going to put this CD back in the way it was, if I can. There we go, so that it's in the same state as it was when I left it. Right, so now we've got these springs. I've got those 2 springs over there, and now it's time to put it all back together. So basically reverse of what I've just done. Put that back on there like that, and that's in place. I need to get some sort of tool to put those springs back on. This might do it. So that needs to go down there. I'll have to take this back off. So this needs to go down here. That's really awkward. And this one needs to go on too. There we go. So now we need to put this back on. Right, that's back on. Now I need to put the springs back on. So that's the first spring back on. Maybe I should zoom in so you can see actually. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but let's give it a go. There's the next spring. That's on. And now these 2. The next spring and the final spring, it's on. So all 4 springs are on now. Right. I'll have to remember to not leave cash near this thing. Right, what's next? So put the little screws back. Four screws in place, so that's that done. Time to bring this back over and reconnect the ribbon cable. And this is awkward. That's in. That appears to be in and quite tight, so we should be good to go there. Put this back in place. And now put the screws back in here. So, still a bit of dust in there, but it's repaired. So, I've now repurposed this thing again to be a proper CD player. It should no longer destroy CDs, and it's no longer a money box. And the 8p can go in their money boxes, 4p each. So there we go, that's how to repurpose a Ford CD head unit. Thanks for watching, bye!